Build your own AI trading bot. You don't need to buy an AI trading bot. You need to build a system. Because the truth is, most bots don't fail because of technology. They fail because the strategy behind them is weak. Stop buying bots. Hard truth. If you don't understand how a bot works, you're gambling, not trading. Master your mind, master the market. Welcome to Coach Ifeanyi Uche channel, where you master your mind and master the market. Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Trading involves risk, and you should always do your own research before making any decisions. Value promise. Step by step. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build your own AI trading bot, step by step. No hype. Just structure. Core principle. Strategy first. Bot second. Before you even think about coding a bot, you need a strategy. Because the bot doesn't create profits, it executes logic. Strategy breakdown. Your strategy must answer 3 questions. When do you enter? When do you exit? How much do you risk? No clarity here means no profits later. Example strategy. For example, you could use a trend following strategy: buy when price is above the 200 moving average. Sell when it breaks below. Simple. Clear. Testable. Now let's turn that strategy into a system. Logic flow intro. Every trading bot follows a logic flow. Think of it like instructions. Entry logic. Step 1. Entry. What exact condition triggers a trade? No guessing. No emotions. Just rules. Exit logic. Step 2. Exit. Where do you take profit? Where do you cut losses? This is where most traders fail. Risk management. Step 3. Risk management. How much of your account do you risk per trade? 1%? 2%? This single decision determines survival. Full system view. Complete system. Entry. Exit. Risk. That's your system. Now the bot simply executes it, perfectly, every time. Tools intro. Tools you need. Now let's talk about the tools to build your bot. MT5. MetaTrader 5 is one of the most powerful platforms. You can build automated strategies using expert advisors. Python. Python gives you more flexibility. You can analyze data, train models, and connect to markets. APIs. APIs connect your bot to brokers and exchanges. This is how trades are executed automatically. Reality check. No shortcuts. Let's be clear. This is not instant. It requires testing, refinement, and discipline. But once your system works, you now have something powerful. A repeatable edge. Comment bot if you want my exact strategy template, and I'll show you how to structure it step by step. Now watch this next video where I test AI trading bots for 30 days.